All right, I think looks like we're live. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are in the world. Uh, this is today's November 4th, and we're gonna do today's BTC Pre-Market Prep. Market's looking pretty decent, seeing great consolidation over the weekend, amidst a pretty significant price drop over the last week. So interested to see how this week shakes up. Of course, we'll be tracking the tips that are coming through the Zazook app. And if you're curious and want to know more about this platform, don't forget to check out our description, click the Discord link, and join our server and initiate a free trial if you like. Um, but without further ado, I'm joined with co-founders Andy and Rennie. Good evening for you guys. How are you guys doing?
Good evening.
Awesome,
Good, thank you.
awesome. So
Very good.
yeah, Rennie, why don't you take it away and show us what we're seeing with the price action and market health.
Yeah, I got the market health here right in front of me, and as you can see, it wasn't really great the last couple of days, but it's went down. So and that's obvious because of Bitcoin tanked and took a whole lot of altcoins with it. So all of these gauges are in the red, and but if it is at these levels, it starts to get oversold. And if you look at the sectors have their RSI underneath, and those are below 40, so nearing oversold. Around 30, we start to talk about oversold. RSI is a momentum indicator, so it means that prices are falling down quite quick. And we've seen that, of course, with BTC and all the other altcoins, or most of them. If we go to our short-term BTC trend, then we see that it is neutral, turned from negative. That means that it had an uptick. But the long term went from green to amber, which means that it is actually correcting. So basically, the market is pretty indecisive and leaning towards negative, which means that the risk that you have when you trade at this moment in time is medium to high. Let's pull up the chart of Bitcoin. Here you can see the daily chart of Bitcoin. I've put some levels in there. Those are break and hold levels. The yellow ones are the 4-hour levels. The red ones are the daily levels. And as you can see, Bitcoin is moving between those two red break levels. This is the break level on the bottom. This is the break level on the top. And here there's a 4-hour hold level. And there's a 4-hour hold level over here. So this has now almost been corrected by this move down. So we might see a correction of this move towards higher. We have to see what happens. But if Bitcoin would move up, then this is a place where it should or could be rejected. If it goes further down, then this is the place where it could be rejected to the downside. So it would mean that when it hits this level here, there's a good chance of it moving up if this level holds. If not, and it goes through this break level, it might dive deeper to the next hold level, daily hold level. And again, there's a break level beneath that. If that doesn't hold, then it would go and look for a hold level lower in the chart. We had some coins coming in today, not many. Our system is so made in a way that if Bitcoin tanks and the coin tanks, that there are no coins coming in or almost nothing. only the coins that buck the trend basically come in. We had uh, baby Doge coming in. This is the chart of baby Doge, and I will go to the 4-hour chart. So you can see what happened here. There's a break level here, 4-hour break level. This is the hold level where it bounced off. It then attacked that break level, corrected, and here is a 4-hour hold level that should hold the move up for another attack of that 4-hour break. Once this level would break, a move further up would be possible. Algo came in here. Algo had quite a move up, had a pull down, and is now trying to attack that whole level, basically that break level here. Hold level is already touched, so we can actually remove that now. So if this break level gets attacked, then the higher prices are possible. If it gets rejected, then it could correct all the way down here. But that's something that will develop during price action in the future. So it's very difficult to tell what's going to happen if you don't get the whole picture. So what happens here and after this will determine also where prices will go, be held up or be rejected. Of course, new hold levels and new break levels will be formed. And then Troy came in, and well, Troy had really a tremendous move up.
Mm-hmm.
And so, getting in here is not really advisable. It always can really go up further, but you have a lot of risk if it goes against you. So I got here, there's a 15-minute level here where you could say, okay, if it drops down to that level, you might want to take some positions in it. Just to illustrate, if you go to the past and you've seen this before, these spikes and then these corrections, these spikes and then these corrections. So going in here is not really advisable. And those were the tips that came in today. And so from, I think the best one is Baby Doge, I think. Let me have a look again. Yeah, I think the best one is Baby Doge. If you want to get in, you have more risk than when you wait for a pullback to this level here, even to the 15-minute hold. But you could also miss the move up. So it's depends on how many risks you want to take when you trade. If you want to take less risk, you try to get in around these levels. If you are comfortable with a higher risk, then you could get in here when prices bounce off of this level. Okay, that was it.
Awesome. Yeah,
I think are there any
I think
remarks?
yeah, exactly. And I really like how Baby Doge is shaping up. It actually you see nice nice spike in price action, and you see it sort of coming down, consolidating in this region. And there's two red 4-hour candles before the two uh, green candles. Would there be a break level right at that top of that 4-hour candle, which
You
should
mean
be a hold
here?
level now? Yeah.
Yeah, well, this is a break level. You're right. This is a 4-hour break level. But it's not broken. It will only be broken if this green candle, stays above it as a
Mm.
green candle. Yeah. So it went through it, but the break is actually a green body above that
Mm-hmm.
break level. So we are, if this holds, um, then so if this green candle stays green, then it's the level is broken.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Sweet. Yeah.
And that would probably mean that it's going to attack that level again.
Yeah, this actually looks quite interesting. I definitely will
Yeah.
be adding this to my watch list actually right now. Yeah.
So this is your 1 hour. Mm.
Mm.
As you can see, the 1 hour levels are not are already tested in this area. So there's a there's a also the 15-minute levels are tested. So there's only the smaller time frames will keep the move down if it decides to move up from here. If it doesn't, if it starts to break down, then these are the levels I would choose to pick it up.
Yeah, it looks good. It looks good. BTC is looking good too. I mean, it's just putting in it's breaking up. It's butting up right against resistance right now.
Yeah, there's a whole level that has been tested here. See, this whole level here has been tested here.
Mm-hmm.
So then this is corrected by this. Now we actually we have to look in this candle what is holding it down. And we have to go to the real. Okay, let me see again. So something in here should keep that move down. This is already tested. So something in here. I'm just gonna put something here so that I know where to look. 3 minute. No. 1 minute. There it is. I think there's a 1 minute level left here that could hold the move down right here. And that's so we are pretty near to it. And it's not it's just a 1 minute level. It can hold the move down though, but it's not a strong level. So let's see what happens. Go back to the full hour. Yeah, could well start to attack this level here. This this 4 hour whole break level, sorry. And it needs to do that to be able to move up further now. So that's where we are in with Bitcoin.
Yeah.
So 69,571 is a quite important level.
Sweet. Yeah. I
If
mean,
it
this,
breaks, then
yeah, there's gonna be a lot we can follow up on during intraday today. Um, so I think market opens in about an hour. So if you are charting, making decisions today, these are things to factor in. It would be interesting to see what happens when North American markets open and we see um, markets react. Um, but yeah, I will like that baby doge is something I'm going to pay attention to. Also, if price starts to break out, we're going to start to see a lot of tips come in. So I'll be paying attention to the server as well. Um, the Troy call was freaking massive, and damn it, I wish I was paying attention. But it's okay. You know what? Trades, they always come, and there's always going to be the next trade. So yeah, I think that pretty much wraps up today's pre-market prep. If you're interested, if you like the insights and you're already a trader, buy an NFT and activate your subscription. Right now, we're doing a limited promotion, 80% discount, which gets locked in for the rest of, as long as you own the NFT, you'll be locked in. And so moving forward depends on, moving forward, when we start to launch more products and enhance our products, you'll get that 80% discount. So today you can get involved, you can do that. And if you want to get more exposure to the project and see what Zazook's all about, join our Discord server and activate a free trial. So those are your ways. And Rennie, appreciate you for taking the time and going through the pre-market prep. And we look forward to doing this again, same time tomorrow. All right, guys, take care.
See you tomorrow.
Happy trading, everyone.
That's it.
Right.
Sweet.